gaki. Gaki means school term. This word is from gaku. Gaku means learn or study or science, right? But ki means the term. It means the distance, right? So this means the distance or the interval of the school, right? So when we put the kanji that means school and the kanji that means the interval or the distance together, it can be like school term, right? School term, you have the long or several months, right? So I see here we have example like Suzuki-san no gakkou wa laiketsu kara ni gakime ni hairimasu. Suzuki-san no gakkou wa laiketsu kara ni gakime ni hairimasu. It means Suzuki-san's school will start the second term in next month. In here we have ni gaki, right? If just about gaki means the school term, but we want to say the second term of the school, we can say ni gaki me. Me is mean the number, right? For example, 1番目、2番目, right? This means the original number. So when you put 2gaki me, it means the second term. Or 1gaki me, it means the first term. 3gaki me, it means the third term, right? So this is about how to count for the school term. So in here we have 2gaki me, it means the second term. に入ります it means enter to or entrance to the second term. Like its color, it means in next month. Or if you want to create a sentence like 来月からは何書き目に入りますか？来月からは何書き目に入りますか？ Which means what is the term that your school will start in next month, right? What is the term that your school will start in next month? 文学 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 is mean literature. Literature. In here, the kanji of bun is mean the letter, right? Or the sentence. Right? So it's about the letter or it's about the sentence. So gaku is mean learn. Or it's mean about study or it's about science. So it mean that the sign about the sentence, right? About the letter. So when we translate, it can be like literature, bunkaku. In here we have the example like 私はアメリカ文学に興味があります。私はアメリカ文学に興味があります。I'm interested in American literature. 日本の文学に興味がありますか？日本の文学に興味がありますか？ It means, do you have an interest in Japanese literature? 日本の文学に興味があります。I'm interested in Japanese literature. 数学 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 is mean mathematics. The first kanji 数 is mean the number, right? If you learn many kanji, you will know that the kanji of 数 is mean from the kanji of kazoeru. Kazoeru is mean count the number. And this kanji mean the number. Su is mean number. And gaku is mean learning or studying or science. Is mean learning or studying the number. Or is mean the sign in the number. So that means if it put about the number with the sign or with the studying, so it means mathematics. So in here we have the example like Watashi wa sukaku ga nikate desu. Watashi wa sukaku ga nikate desu. It means I'm not good at mathematics or I'm not good at math. Nikate is mean not good. So if you want to say good at math, it means Tanaka-san wa sukaku ga jouzu desu. Tanaka-san wa sukaku ga jouzu desu. It means Tanaka-san is good at math or Tanaka-san is good at mathematics. Jouzu is mean good at. Nikate is mean not good at. So it's very easy to create a sentence by using sukaku. Right. Gakunen. Gakunen. Gakunen is mean academic year. Gaku is mean learning. Nen or toshi is mean the year. So when you put the kanji of learning or studying with the kanji of year, so it means academic year or the year that you are studying in. So in here we have the example like Gakunen wa ikutsu desu ka? Gakunen wa ikutsu desu ka? It means what is the academic year? That means what the year are you in the school? Gakunen wa 4年生です. You can say 学年は1年生です which means I'm the first year at the school. I'm at the first year of the school. Or 私は3年生です which means I'm at the third year of the school. Like this. 学年はいくつですか? You can say like 私は1年生です which means